Hey everyone, and welcome. So, get this. Hidden inside this single page are over 1,600 job vacancies. Yep, you heard that right. Over 1,600 professional opportunities, all listed right here on this one sheet of paper.
That is just a massive number of chances to start a new career, change your path, or get that big promotion. So the real question is, are you ready to find the one that's perfect for you? Okay, let's dive in and break it all down.
We're going to kick things off with the big ones, the postings with the absolute largest number of openings. These are really perfect, whether you're just taking your very first step into the working world, or maybe you're looking to join a large-scale government organization.
And our first huge number is a whopping 550. So what exactly are these 550 positions?
These are for apprentice roles at the Rail Coach Factory in Kapurthala. Honestly, this is a golden opportunity for young people, anyone between 15 and 24, to get their foot in the door of a major public sector company and gain some fantastic technical skills. You'll want to mark your calendars for this one. The deadline is January 7th, 2026.
All right, let's move on to our next high-volume opportunity. This time, we're looking at 451 different posts.
Now, these vacancies are all part of the UPSC's Combined State Service Exam. For any graduate out there, this is your direct gateway to a whole range of stable, prestigious government jobs. Think of it less like a single job opening and more like a pathway to a ton of different careers in public service. The application deadline for this is December 30th, 2025.
And the final number in our high-volume section is 394. This one is aimed squarely at those who have just finished up their schooling.
This is for the UPSC's National Defense and Naval Academy exam, which you probably know as the NDA. So if you've recently passed your 12th grade exams and you're drawn to a career of honor, discipline, and service, well, this is an incredible path to consider. And hey, notice the deadline? It's the same as the last one, December 30th. That tells us there's a major, coordinated recruitment push for government and defense roles happening at the end of the year.
Okay, let's switch gears a bit. We're moving from those broad, high-volume opportunities to more specialized careers. So if you've got specific qualifications in fields like science, technology, or finance, this next section is definitely for you. Just look at the incredible diversity of roles available on this one slide. For those of you in finance, United India Insurance Company is looking for 153 apprentices. For the science and tech experts, IIT Mandi has 31 openings for junior lab assistants. And for experienced leaders, Engineers India Limited is hiring 22 managers across different departments. I mean, 3 totally different fields, all found on that exact same newspaper page. It's pretty amazing.
Okay, from skilled specialists, we are now climbing all the way to the very top of the career ladder. These next openings, these are the apex roles. We're targeting seasoned professionals who are ready for some really high-impact leadership positions.
And here we have 2 very distinct, very prestigious paths to institutional leadership. On one hand, IIT Patna is searching for a new director to lead a premier technology institute. On the other, IIM Shillong needs a deputy general manager to guide operations at a top business school. These are not just jobs. These are legacy-building opportunities to literally shape the future of India's top educational institutions. All right, so we've seen the what, which is great. But now let's focus on the how. We've decoded the newspaper page, and now it's time to turn all this fantastic information into a real, actual application. Let's make it happen.
It's really just a simple 4-step action plan. Step 1, pinpoint the role that truly excites you and, of course, matches your skills from everything we've just covered. Step 2, go directly to the official website. Step 3, and this is so key, you have to read the entire notification for all the details. And finally, step 4, the most important one, apply before that deadline.
And hey, to make it even easier for you, here are all the official websites in one convenient place. Seriously, this is a great screen to pause or maybe take a screenshot of. Everything you need to take that next step is right here.
We'll leave you with this really powerful thought from the great Peter Drucker. The best way to predict the future is to create it. You know, this single page we've explored today, it isn't just a list of jobs. It's a list of over 1,600 potential futures. So the only question left is, which one will you create?